Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Canva AI background removal tool that I developed inside the browser. It basically acts like a passive income tool. So I've deployed this tool on my website freemediatools.com. If you visit this, the latest tool that I added on this website is the Canva AI background removal tool. So it basically works offline without any API, and if you purchase the source code of this project, you can even deploy this on your own website and place advertisements and earn passive income. Let me show you the demo here. So as soon as you select a image file, so the user will visit your website and they will upload or select their image. So it is all happening on the client side. The image is not uploaded to the server. So basically you will see we have a set of options right here. If you want to remove the background or foreground, so you need to remove the background, and then we are using the AI model right here in the browser. If you see, so for the very first time if you use it, so these are the buttons here. So this will remove the background. So if you click it for the very first time, first of all it will download the necessary AI models. So you will see it will show this nice little progress bar. So if you are using it for the very first time, so then it will first of all download the AI models which will remove the background inside the browser. So once it is downloaded, then the subsequent images that you will select, it will not take a lot of time. So just it is doing it for the very first time. So it works in the browser. That's the very important thing about this tool. It doesn't require any server side code. It basically runs in the browser only. You can even deploy this. I have the full script, full source code. It uses only HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I have the full source code. The link is given in the description of this video. If you need this full source code project, you can visit my website procodestore.com, and after the payment you will be redirected to Google Drive, where you will get the full zip file which will contain the source code. So I will show you later on how to deploy that to your own hosting plan if you are wanting to deploy this. So you can see that once it completes downloading the AI model, then it will remove the background from the image. So so this does only for the very first time. So after it downloads, it will process this image, and you will see automatically it will remove the background and make the image transparent. So it actually shows you the nice little progress bar, so that the user is engaged in the website. It actually tells you how much time is remaining. So now if you see, automatically it removes the background using the artificial intelligence. You will see that now the background has been completely removed, and then we can download by pressing the download button, and you will see. You can even access this tool, guys. I have given the link freemediatools.com, Canva AI background removal. So before purchasing it, you can try this tool completely free. If you need this source code, then you can go to the description, and then you will actually get this full source code, guys. This is the exact source code. We have a bunch of CSS, we have bunch of JavaScript, and then we have this index.html file. So you just need to open this with live server. So as soon as you open it, it will open it. You will see we are running it in the locally here. If you see localhost index.html, so if you just open this HTML file here, this is the full source code here. We have the JavaScript, CSS. So it doesn't require any server side. You just need to have a shared hosting plan where you can even deploy this website very easily, and then you can put Google AdSense or Ezoic advertisements to earn a lot of passive income. So again, I will select my image and then click the button, and once you are running it on your machine, so it will first of all again download these AI models. So this will only happen for the very first time. So you can see I'm running it locally, and now if you upload some subsequent request, you'll see that So we can delete this image, input image, and try a different image. So you will see that again it can even work with the dark mode as well. So you can see that we can even have the dark mode as well. So you can see that, so once you press the button, it will remove the background from the image. So it actually shows you this progress bar, and after that the image background will be removed. You can see that succeeded, and you can see the background is successfully removed. And it's a fully functional website, guys. You can see how the tool behaves like this, and it's a quite a good website. You can control the quality from here, and you can even change the image to JPG or WebP as well from the drop down. If you need a WebP image, then it will download this as a WebP image. So this is the exact tool, guys. If you need the full source code, the link is given in the description. You can visit my ProCode website, make the payment, and after that you will get this full source code. And you just need to run this inside your VS Code. Just open with live server, and it will open this project locally. And if you still face any problems after payment, you can contact me at my email address. I will willing to help you if you basically feel any kind of problem. The interface is quite simple. You select the image, and then you hit this button, remove background, and then it will show you the progress bar, and it will remove the background. And now let me show you some of the earnings that I am earning from this website here, freemediatools.com. I have quite a good monetize. So I'm using Ezoic ad network. This also gives me daily income. So if I show you here my day-to-day income from this tool, you can see sometimes it gives me $4, $2, $2, $4. So it typically varies how much traffic is coming from which country. So it actually is a high paying script. Once you can rank this tool on Google, you can definitely earn a lot of revenue. And same goes with AdSense as well. So I'm just earning a lot of revenue. So that's why I'm telling you it's a very nice script. It basically runs offline. It doesn't require any server side code. You can easily deploy this script, image background removal script, similar to Canva, and it basically make use of artificial intelligence to remove the background. And it doesn't use any API key. It will be completely free. Once you purchase it, you can use it unlimited number of time. You just deploy this and start earning passive income. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and just visit freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in next video.